Hi, it's Hana Sensei. Welcome back. This is video 4 for common Japanese pronunciation mistakes. All right, so we went over some different sounds that you need to be careful with. So we're gonna do some practicing now so that we can get our mouth used to making the correct shape for each sound. Okay, so the first we're going to start with is B and V. B, 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 V, V, V. Okay, so let's do our best, best, vest, vest, berry, berry, very, very, boat, boat. Sorry, you can't see the word. Boat. There we go. And vote, vote. Okay. Next, we're doing B again. Okay. This one is to remember the small b and the small d. Okay. A lot of times when you're writing, you can't remember, oh, which way does the B go? Which way does the D go? Okay, so let's remember that when you make a big B, the circles go this way. And the small b, the circle goes in the same direction. It goes forward, right? When you make a big D, and a small d, the circle goes in the opposite direction. So this circle goes forward and this circle goes backward. Okay, so you have to remember that the B always faces forward and the D, the small d, faces backward. Okay, so let's just practice. These are the words bog, bog, right? This is a bog. It's a very dirty water, smelly kind of place. Okay. And this one is dog, dog. And of course, that is a dog. Okay. This one is bay, bay. And that is a bay, right? And this one says day, day. And that's talking about the days of the week, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Okay. This is, oh, I don't know if you can see my mouth and the word rubber, rubber. And we're talking about rubber gloves or a rubber duck. Okay. And this one says rudder, rudder. And that is part of the boat that helps the boat steer in the water. That's a rudder. Okay, so that's just a very important thing when you're spelling. Remember which way the small letter goes. Okay, this one is F, F, H, H. Okay, so we have this one is and this one is okay. So let's look at this. Fat, fat. He is fat. Okay. Hat, hat. Boshi. Okay. Fold, fold. Right? You're folding something. Hold, hold. You're holding something. Okay. fair, fair, right? When you go to a place that has entertainment and lots of rides, you call that a fair. And this one, hair, hair, and that's your hair. Okay, another one is M, N, M, N, 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 N. Okay. Moon, moon, moon. Lime, lime, lime. Hem, hem. When you're sewing something, you sew the hem. Okay. Noon, noon. When it is 12 o'clock in the middle of the day, when you eat lunch, it is noon. Line, line. Narande. It's a line. Or sen, right? It's a line. Okay. Hen, hen. Niwatori, josei no ho. Hen. Okay. And the last one is R and L. This one is very important. R, L. R, Kuchibiru to ha. L. Bero to ha. L. Okay. This one. Rice. Rice. Gohan. Lice. Lice. Right. Right. Right? Right. Sekai. Or migi. Right. Okay. Light. Light. Thank you. Read. Read. Yomu. Lead. Lead. Right? He is leading the children. All right. So be careful with your pronunciation. Good luck. Bye.